Hello and welcome to Best Twitch Streamer, and here we make tutorials on topic that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about on how you can earn money from YouTube. Now, it is not easy to earn money from YouTube as it is quite difficult, but there are a few ways. For example, if you are a streamer, you can start streaming on YouTube, and if donations come in, that money will go directly to your pocket and YouTube is gonna take a small fee. And the other way is by creating videos. As you can see, people over here, they create videos, but in order to earn money, you will need to gain monetization from YouTube. So if I go over here and click on monetization, as you can see, I am not eligible for monetization yet. As a YouTube partner, you'll be eligible to earn money from your videos. So in order for that, I'll need 1,000 subscribers. I'll need to turn on two-step verification, and I'll need at least 4,000 views in order to do that. Once that is done, I will receive YouTube monetization, and the money will start flowing in afterwards, depending on how well a video does. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.